Iran's Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei has confirmed that Mohammad Mokbar will take over as interim president following the death of Ebrahim Raisi. Mohammad Mokbar is Iran's interim president now after late President Ebrahim Raisi and other officials were confirmed killed in a helicopter crash, and Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei approved his accession to the role. Mohammad Mokbar, born 26 June 1955, is an Iranian politician who is the acting president of Iran since the death of President Ebrahim Raisi on 19 May 2024. He was previously the first vice president of Iran. He was also a member of the Expediency Discernment Council. The head of the judiciary and the vice president must coordinate choosing a new president within 50 days.